The J-turn's quite a tricky stunt to do in its own right, but we're going to ramp it up a little bit by blacking out the windows, and we're going to do it literally blind. As I'm going backwards, I'm going to be using the around view monitor to try and align the guidelines on the monitor itself with the lines on the ground. Normally this sort of technology is used for assisting with the parking. We're just going to take it to an extreme level and try and perform a J-turn in the tightest possible space. This is strange.
Okay, all ready in 3, 2, 1, go.
I think we've done it.